Shirley Kwan Lane Salto, hindi cash cow, si Bea Alonzo, tingin nila sa akin pulubi.
Request, but that's very offensive and that's not something I can accept. And I told Bea that's the last straw.
Kumpirmadong wala na sa poder ng talent manager na si Shirley Kwan ang aktres na si Bea Alonzo. Feeling na-insulto si Shirley Kwan sa mga paratang na ginawa raw niyang cash cow ang dating talent na si Bea Alonzo. Sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon, nagsalita ang veteran talent manager tungkol sa kinasasangkutang isyu at kontrobersya sa pagitan nila ni Bea. Ito'y matapos siyang mag-resign bilang talent manager ng aktres noong August 11, 2026 dahil sa ilang mga insidente na hindi na niya masikmura. Nakausap ng ilang piling members ng entertainment press Shirley Kwan at dito nga niya inisa-isa at idinetalye ang mga dahilan ng pagkalas niya kay Bea. Isa na rito ang pagtanggi niya sa akusasyon na cash cow niya ang dating alagang kapuso actress. Hindi raw siya maghihirap at magiging pulubi kahit wala na sa poder niya si Bea. The problem is dapat nagtanong sila, mga bashers at fans ni Bea, bago nila ako sabihan ng, I find that very insulting, ha? Parang tingin nila sa akin pulubi, di ba? Na parang pag wala na si Bea sa akin, magugutom na ako. At sa katanungin nyo kahit sino dito sa showbiz. More than 30 years na ako dito. Meron ba ako? Meron bang magsasabi sa inyo na nagutom ako or nangharbat ako ng pera or I cheated my artist out of their talent fee? Meron bang ganuan? And meron bang impression sa showbiz na mahirap ako? Di ba? Ang sentimiento ni Shirley Kwan. Pagpapatuloy pa niya, I just wanna make this clear, ha? Bea did not make me rich nor will she make me poor. So stop calling her my cash cow. I have bigger stars that I'm handling who are busier than her, panawagan pa niya sa mga netizens. Sa isang pag-uusap daw nila ni Bea, natanong ng aktres kay SK, "Who did it come to this?" I said, "I don't know. I have no idea bakit ako sinisiraan non-stop." I said, "Bea, you never defended me. Hindi mo ako pinagtanggol eh." I said that, pero sa akin, you could have told whoever that is the truth. Wala akong alam dyan, hindi ako nakialam ever. So I said, I promised her that I will not make another announcement about the resignation. But I said, one more, tirahin pa ako isa, you are giving me no choice but to defend myself. Because enough is enough. The least she could have done was to tell these people to stop. Because she knew the truth. But again, I'm not taking that against her anymore. What triggered me to resign was I was disinvited. I felt offended. In Tagalog, binastos ako at nabastusan ako. Siguro naman at my level, I don't think I will allow that being done to me, aniya. Ang tinutukoy niya ay ang hindi pag-imbita sa kanya sa isang event para sa endorsement deal ni Bea na siya ang nakapagsara as manager. There was this event, that was my deal. I closed that event. I was talking to the client and I was told that I was disinvited. And I already know what happened, even if the client didn't want to tell me. Basta I already know who he is. And I told them. Sabi, huwag ka magalit, babawi kami sa iyo. Hindi ako galit, but I'll be a hypocrite if I tell you that I was not offended. Because this has never been done to me. Wala naman akong kasalanan, what have I done? That's not something I can accept. And I told Bea, that's the last straw, paliwanag ni SK. Winikasan ng veteran talent manager na si Shirley ang manager-talent relationship nila ni Bea noong 11 ng Agosto taong 2026. Samantala, ibinuking din ni SK na may isang kapwa talent manager ang nagsabi sa kanya na may mga taong gustong gumawa ng gulo at her expense. Last Friday, I got a call from a friend of mine who's also a talent manager. She said she's friends with a certain individual and, this is unbelievable, sabi raw sa kaibigan niya, kaya mo bang awayin si SK? Sabi ni SK, agad daw niyang tinawagan si Bea hinggil dito. I said, this person called me, may gustong awayin daw ako. Why is this happening? I did tell her na tinawagan yung kaibigan ko at inuutusan na awayin ako, sabi pa ni SK.